Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to cut an aloe vera leaf from a plant. This will be a simple tutorial and I'm going to be going over the basic steps for easily and properly cutting an aloe vera leaf from a plant like this. First and foremost, you want to get the aloe vera plant. As you can see right here, this is a nicely sized aloe vera plant. Secondly, you want to choose a leaf to actually cut off. Now, you can choose any leaf that you want, but I always recommend the outer leaves just because they're going to be easier to get to, okay? And if you have something holding the plant in, like I have right here, these elastic bands, you want to remove the band from the one that you want to cut off. So I'm actually going to be cutting off this one right here because I don't really need a full leaf this size. I just need a small piece, so I'm going to be cutting off this one right here. So what you want to do is make sure that you have access to the leaf. And make sure that you have access to the bottom of the leaf. So as you can see right here, this is the bottom of the leaf right here. And you want to get a knife. And obviously, you want to be comfortable using a knife. If you're not comfortable using a knife, then you shouldn't be doing this. But get your hand, grab the leaf, and you want to bend the leaf downwards as much as you can. So right now I'm bending the leaf. It was like this. I'm bending it downwards, which gives me more access to the base right here. So I'll show you exactly. I'll lift the camera up. As you can see, when I bend the leaf downwards, I'm getting access right here, and I'm going to be taking the knife and I'm going to be cutting the leaf at as low as I can go. So I'm going to be taking the knife and going all the way down in there, and I'm going to be using the knife to cut the leaf off. Like I said, you want to go as low as you can go, and some people will recommend that you actually twist it as you pull it out. So like not twist it, sorry, rotate it. So you're going to rotate it side to side as you pull it out, and you can do that, but I recommend if you're doing this for the first time or if you're a beginner, just get that knife. You want to slowly and surely, there's no rush, slowly but surely cut right at the root of that leaf. And I'll show you in a moment, okay? Right at the root of that leaf right there, okay? Nice and slowly, there's no rush. Okay, now check this out. I'll show you what I did. I'm just giving it a nice cut like this, right at the root of the leaf. I'm seeing all that nice aloe vera gel coming out. That's what we want right there, okay? So as you can see right here, what I've done, and I'll take the camera right now, I'll show you what I've done. I've actually taken the leaf out, okay? I've cut it right at the root of the leaf. Okay, I'm going to place this down like that. There is the aloe vera leaf that I've cut. Okay, now when I was cutting, I actually made just a tiny error. I ended up cutting this piece off separately, but you can see this is where the leaf was. Right here. Look at how close I got to the plant. That's the idea there. I mean, at the end of the day, if you don't get so close, it's just going to end up growing out a little bit more anyways, most of the time. But you want to try and get as close as you can to the plant. And what happens is, what's interesting is that once you cut off an aloe vera leaf, okay, so this one was sliced right in the middle before, basically. It was like cut like this, right? Once you cut it off, the skin actually regenerates and closes up by itself. So that means that it's going to allow the plant to continue growing, which is amazing. So essentially you want to take a knife, make sure that it's a good knife. I mean, this knife right here, let's just clean it off. This has it's just slightly serrated. As you can see, there has those grooves on it, but it's a nice sharp knife. And all I did was I took it and I just cut it like that all the way down, nice and slowly. And then as I took this off, I did just a little twisting motion to sort of get it off nice and smoothly. And there you have your aloe vera plant leaf. Very simple. And now you can actually use this for making aloe vera gel, many different things. It's one of the most useful plant leaves that you can come across in your lifetime. And that's basically it. I really hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.